From Huck Small Engine Repair and Sales here with a super quick short. I want to talk about name brand tools versus like homeowner brand tools. You know, we're talking like SnapOn to Craftsman, or SnapOn to Black & Decker, or even Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight for that matter. So my first instinct was go to nut drivers. So right here we have a set of Snap-on nut drivers. This is SAE, you know, just 1/4 inch all the way through 7/16 or 1/2 inch. And then you've got your Craftsman set, all in the same denomination, the same sizes. Lots of them are color coded. You know, yellow primarily. When you're working on lawnmowers, you're gonna use yellow a lot, 5/16. Most companies are color coded the same. Yellow is always 5/16. That's a totally different story. But I wanted to point out the price. So this Snap-on set is, I'm not even kidding you, $150 to $175. I know that because I paid it. We've bought multiples of this set before. Now I love the Snap-on colors. Believe me, I'm a color guy. 175 bucks, 30 bucks from Sears or Lowe's.
Wow.
If you don't have a Sears anymore, like most of us don't. 30 bucks, 175 bucks. They're the exact same tool. Now, you could go and talk about the shank is more likely to possibly spin inside the Craftsman as this, but you guys, you're using this with your hand. So if your hand torque is spinning the shaft on one of those, I mean, you're a pro arm wrestler, right? It's just not gonna happen. If I had to choose one individually, to finish out a set actually for 1/4, I paid $27 for one. If I had to pick, I would go the Craftsman set all day for the regular homeowner for 30 bucks. You guys, it's roughly $140 cheaper for the set. They're gonna do the exact same job. They're the same size. Nothing is special about Snap-on. They just have really good branding. Mechanics like to buy it. It's off the truck. Super expensive. Prime example of what your brand can get you. Now, obviously, a lot of their tools, you know, I don't want to get into wrenches and stuff because that's a totally different ball game. But for these nut drivers, save the money. You don't need name brand nut drivers. Go get yourself some Pittsburgh. They're lifetime value. Craftsman, lifetime value. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell on for notifications. We're just starting out our YouTube channel, but we've been mowing lawns for over 50 years, servicing, repairing mowers for over 40 years. So it just runs in our blood. I'm a 3rd generation owner. We just like to work on small engines. So yeah, we're just starting a YouTube channel. Hope to see you on the other side.